Hey there! Today I want to share a quick English lesson with you. Here's a quick disclaimer. Just before you start this lesson, I would like you to pause any time before I say the answer. So before I tell you the answer, please pause so that you can actually think of how to respond and then you can carry on with the video. So I'm going to show you a little sign that shows that you should pause the video now and then carry on. Alright, enjoy the lesson. Have you ever wondered when to use good and well? Let's clear things up. Many ESL learners often make mistakes by using good when they should actually use well. Let's see some examples. Alright, so instead of saying, I did good on the test, we should say, that's right, I did well on the test. Now, instead of saying she sings good, we say she sings well. All right, next up, instead of saying he plays soccer good, we say, exactly, he plays soccer well. And now instead of saying, did I say that good, we say, exactly, did I say that well? Okay, now lastly, instead of saying they speak English good, we say they speak English well. Okay, now remember, good is an adjective that describes things, while well is an adverb that describes actions. Using well helps us to communicate more clearly and accurately. Now, the lesson doesn't have to end here. You could send me a message and I can be your English tutor. So thanks for joining me for this lesson, this very short lesson, and keep on practicing English.